The Fancic K100 Flip Multifunctional Portable Washer isn't only a mouthful of a title, it boasts itself as one of the best portable power washers, which is why I bought it, obviously. But after spending a couple of weeks with it in different scenarios like washing my car or rinsing off my bike, I can confidently say that this product is more style than substance and is only worth it to some of you out there. Welcome to another Dude Approved review with Me Wild, where a few minutes can save you a few bucks. Let's dive in. Let's start with the most obvious and main issue, water pressure. For a washer marketed as a multifunctional and portable power washer, it is very underwhelming when it comes to pressure. It says it does 174 PSI, and I swear you don't get anything close to that. I feel like you get the same effect with just my finger on the end of a hose kind of pressure. And you know what? That's also portable, plus it's free. Now, I'm sure this actually does do 174 PSI, it just doesn't really feel like it. Now, I'll give credit where credit is due. I love the sleek and awesome design. It's actually foldable, which is really nice, and has a few different spraying options. 5 in 1 to be exact. You can even attach a soap bottle to the unit. Heck, it even has different water modes depending on what you're using the unit for. Car/bike, power cleaning, or gardening. But in addition to the underwhelming pressure, you also have to provide your own separate water source for the unit to pull from. And if you're thinking you can just hook it up to the end of a hose, no, you can't. It doesn't seem to work in that fashion due to the seals not making a watertight seal, and water just goes everywhere. So I would say that this is a pass for most people. Instead, I would pay up for a rinse kit, which is also portable and has a water source already attached to it. A rinse kit is a portable washer, and it's so much more, which is why I recommend it. You can use it for washing objects, taking a shower while you're camping, washing sand off from you while you're at the beach, and so much more. Yeah, you won't get as much pressure as you probably would from something like this, but that's truly multifunctional, and I think you'll get a lot more use out of it. Now, if you're looking for a straight up power washer, I would still recommend that you just go old school and get a big unit so that way you get the PSIs that you want and need. And don't waste your time on little guys. If you need any more help with any awesome buys, make sure you check out the videos over to my side for more awesome recommendations from me. I'll catch you in those videos, and thanks for watching.